Plantronics Blackwire 7225 is a boomless corded headset with hi-fi stereo and active noise cancelling, and is available in black or white finishes. This is what comes in the box. When you put the headset on, check inside the ear cups. L goes on your left ear and R on your right. It's important to position the headset correctly for optimal audio quality. The cord will be on your right side. Lengthen or shorten the headband for a comfortable fit. To use the headset, simply plug the USB cable directly into your laptop. Next, download Plantronics Hub for Windows or Mac at plantronics.com/software. The software allows you to customize your language, manage settings, and update the headset firmware. To make an audio or video call, dial out using your PC application. To answer a call, use your soft phone answer button or tap the headset call button. The on-call indicator on your headset will flash to let others know you're on a call. To put a call on hold, press and hold the call button for 2 seconds. If you want to mute while on a call, press the red mute button. The headset features dynamic mute alert, so if you begin talking but forgot you were muted, a voice alert reminds you that mute is still on. End a call by tapping the call button. Double tap the call button to redial the last call. For music or media, use the intuitive controls to play or pause, track forward or track backward. To control the volume, tap volume up or volume down. When not on a call, press the red open mic button to hear your surroundings without removing your headset. To reduce external noise and enhance sound quality, you can choose to slide the ANC switch on. This will make it easier for you to focus in noisy office environments. You're now ready to enjoy your Blackwire 7225 headset. For more information, visit plantronics.com.